Grilled cheese. It is iconic. Just because it's simple doesn't mean we can't make it the best we can. 2 slices of bread, standard sliced bread. I want the cheese to be the star. Really special Taleggio. Super creamy cheese. It's gonna melt ever so beautifully. I've made sure that it's clean. Sometimes there's bloom, which is the natural mold. Take the back of your knife and just scrape it off. I get my knife wet. Cheese doesn't stick. 2 nice pieces, even in size. Now, here's the key. Paper, fold it over on that cheese, and I'm gonna smush it. And I'm gonna lay it in the bread. Look at that. You notice I have one end there, that's the rind. So I'm gonna flip it. So each side gets a copy of the rind. If I look at it, and I keep spinning it around, I notice there's cheese to bread all the way around. Every bite that someone's gonna get, they're gonna get cheese and they're gonna get bread. It's nice and even. Making grilled cheese, unsalted butter. Oh, that's the nice sound. I like that sound. Got the spin going there. I'm on medium heat. In the back burner now, a little bit of butter. Oh my goodness. Duck egg. Little pepper on the egg yolk. Little flake salt on that. This is local Napa wildflower honey from Marshall Farms. And now we're gonna add Pure Gold truffles. Taleggio and truffles are a match made in heaven. Taleggio and eggs, match made in heaven. Honey and truffle is delicious. Put them all together to create the bomb grilled cheese. That to me is what I like to say is the adult version of my childhood grilled cheese.